Let's hit the campaign trail, shall we? First up is incumbent MP of Patna Sahib, former Union Minister Ravi Shankar Prasad. As he's literally drowned in saffron garlands, we quickly catch up with the BJP candidate before he embarks on his roadshow. Huge crowds that have gathered here. We're with Mr. Ravi Shankar Prasad, the candidate in Patna Sahib. Sir, how are you? How do I say, how are you here in Bihar, sir?
See, I'm excited. My supporters are there. Today I'm going to have a road show from here till Bakhtiarpur.
Please tell us about your campaign, because when I spoke to the Congress, they say you're nowhere on ground. You're not in Patna.
Remember one thing very clearly. I defeated Shatrughan Sinha by 2,90,000 votes. I never took his name. And I don't want to take his name at all. I work on principles, on policy, my leadership and my work. I was born in Patna. I studied in Patna. I have worked in Patna, right from metro to Atal Path to bringing TCS here to everything, fighting in the corona and everything. People know it. Fly-by-night operators are welcome in Patna.
He's a Bihar boy too.
I'm only saying fly-by-night operators are welcome to Patna.
So also, sir, tell us, what is your vision for Patna? Because also I know that overall for Bihar, the BJP wants 40 out of 40.
Patna has metro, Vande Bharat to Ranchi, Vande Bharat to Calcutta, Vande Bharat to Ayodhya and Lucknow. Patna airport is getting modernized. A big 1,000 crore elevated road is coming about. 4 bridges on River Ganga. 1 have been repaired, 1 is there, 2 is coming up. We will want to make Patna a great center of development. We will make it the capital of Bihar. This is old glorious tradition. In fairness, Nitish Kumar government has done a good job. And my Prime Minister has taken a vow that I will take guarantee of making Bihar a progressive state.
But there's a Tejaswi Yadav factor everyone's talking about. Do you think there's something like that? He's saying that the Prime Minister will get bed rest after this.
डेमोक्रेसी में हर को बोलने का अधिकार है, उनको बोलने दो. तेजस्वी जी का एक ही मॉडल है, जमीन दो नौकरी लो. Remember railway scam? He's facing trial for that. Thank you.
So you're saying there's no Tejaswi factor?
I'm assembly first.
ठीक है, thank you. So Ravi Shankar Prasad in conversation with us. He's busy in his campaign, so we just managed to quickly get a word with him as he's set for once again contesting from here in Patna Sahib.
आपका पर्चम लहराने का यह एक तरीका है और इतना आदमी शपथ लेता है कि जितनी मतों से आप लीड करेंगे.
Squaring off against the veteran Ravi Shankar Prasad is an electoral newbie who you've definitely seen during our TV debates, Anshul Avjeet. He's former Speaker Meera Kumar's son, Jagjeevan Ram's grandson, so he's got politics in his blood. About 30 minutes away from Patna city, we've come to Sampachak to meet with Anshul here, who is campaigning, has gotten the Congress ticket here, and this is your political debut, Anshul. Are you feeling a lot of pressure? How's the campaign going?
Well, it's my electoral debut. I've been in politics, as you know, as a spokesperson, and also I'm not a stranger to politics because of my family, and I've been coming to almost every Lok Sabha election since 1986. When my mother fought her first by-election from Bijnor. So politics is, it's not just a legacy, it's really there, it's in my blood, been meeting people, and it's really exciting to be here. Go to the people, feel this is really the beating heart of democracy, which is the electoral process, where you have to go to the people, convince them that you're the right person for them, and then get their mandate.
You know, like you said, you've been seasoned with politics for the last many years. You've got politics in your blood. But how different is it to fight an election and a parliamentary election at that?
No, of course, if you're doing it yourself, I've had a lot of experience of being in election and then managing elections. But to do it yourself is completely different.
Choosing Patna Sahib, is that a seat that personally you'd have chosen for yourself? Because, you know, like you said, you come from a family which has a huge political lineage in Bihar. Was this the right choice of seat? A lot of people question whether, you know, you'd have done much better off in another seat in Bihar like a Sasaram.
No, I mean, the party chose it. I mean, usually the Congress party chooses what they think is the appropriate, suitable candidate for a particular seat. I mean, the Prime Minister is coming here thrice. He's about to come for the third time. It shows the kind of presence, my presence, what difference it has made.
There's a lot of talk of the Tejaswi factor versus Modi factor here in Bihar. But it is a parliamentary election. And my interactions with people, they're keeping that in mind. They're saying this is not a state election. We're voting for who's in Delhi.
Yeah, exactly. So do tell me that if the double-engine Sarkar here, the much touted and the quite infamous now, has actually worked here. You'll be around Patna. It's a beautiful city. It's my city. I've been seeing it for decades. The kind of conditions that are here, it's completely deteriorated. It happened with the floods here in Patna, where, I mean, even in my house, there was 10 feet water. The present MP never came. Ravi Shankar ji never came here to help out.
Is it tough to take on someone who's represented Patna before, who's, comfortable in this seat, who's a seasoned politician?
No, what does seasoned politician mean? He's never
represented this.
No, I know. But it's a rhetorical statement. He's never even appeared before the people. He's never taken his responsibility seriously. And what is the development? Akshita, do tell me one plaque in his name in this city. And the people will show you that there is none to commemorate some kind of development work. He's never been here. And that is what, to be a good representative of the people, is his primary responsibility. And he's failed, and the people are angry and resentful, and they will show that on the 1st.
I see people are waiting for you, so we'll resume this conversation below as well. Come, Sachin. One learning from your grandfather, from your mother, and that's helped you also, that's going to help you also in your electoral time.
I think just to remain with the people, be in touch with them, keep meeting them, their problems, their difficulties, be with them in their moments of grief and joy as well.
आप सब अंशुल जी के लिए वोट करेंगे?
बिल्कुल एकदम निकालना है।
Not many know that Anshul ji actually started off in India today.
It's kind of a role thing, reversal at the moment. I still remember those days. I'm quite nostalgic about them. And yeah, of course, I keep going back there again, many friends. And thank you for coming. So it's wonderful to be here.
We'd love to have you sometime back in the newsroom. But thank you very much. All the best. Thank you.